Bonus number 3. Fill in the blanks toolbox. UpViral bonus number 3. Price value $297. Want campaigns you can literally knock out in minutes without any guesswork? That's where our fill-in-the-blank toolbox comes in. Inside you'll find a complete campaign checklist, high-converting email templates, graphic templates, and editable done-for-you terms and conditions pages. Creating referral marketing campaigns couldn't be easier with this fill-in-the-blank toolbox. Bonus number 4. Traffic Secrets Training. UpViral bonus number 4. Price value $397. Unsure how to get traffic to your referral marketing campaign? This special bonus will help you crack the code on how to get traffic to your referral marketing machine. Inside you'll find countless paid and free traffic methods to help fill your referral marketing machine. 5. Email Hacking Masterclass. UpViral bonus number 5. Price value $497. A question you might be thinking is, UpViral sounds great for building my email list and getting more leads, but how do I convert those leads into paying customers? Well, email marketing is one of the most powerful ways to do just that. Now, instead of hiring expensive copywriters to write all your emails, you can simply follow our simple email marketing formula for effortlessly turning an email lead into paying customers. Sure, we want tons of email leads, but getting customers is what matters most. Bonus number 6. Access to private UpViral. Growth and marketing community. Price value priceless. A rising tide lifts all boats. Mixing with other like-minded business owners will keep you accountable, help you gain new ideas, and elevate you to another level. You'll also be able to get all your questions answered whenever you have them. Any issues you have at all, you're just a question and answer away from having your problem solved. Bonus number 7. Plus 30 UpViral in-depth case studies. Price value $497. Gaining ideas from what other entrepreneurs are doing is one of the most valuable things you can do as a business owner. It's why masterminds typically charge 10, 25, 50K plus in some cases. Often a lot of the value comes from learning new things from other business owners and then deploying it in your own business, and reaping the benefits. That's what our in-depth case studies will do for you. Just one idea could transform the trajectory of your business this year. What would you pay to start getting 2x, 3x, or even 10x more email subscribers in the next 14 days and a flood of new customers? You could literally spend $1,000, $5,000 to $10,000, $25,000 plus on expensive courses, coaching, and masterminds. All promising you more email subscribers and customers with no guarantee of results. But, doesn't it make more sense to follow Russell Brunson, Ryan Deiss, and 500 plus other businesses and pay just $1 for a plug-and-play referral marketing machine? I mean, do the math. Calculate. The best part? You could literally have your first campaign set up tonight and could be getting new email subscribers and customers. If you're still on the fence, I want to make this an absolute no-brainer for you. I'd hate for you to miss out on the opportunity to skyrocket your business with new leads and customers. Let's add everything up in this once-in-a-lifetime deal. You're getting access to UpViral for just $1 for 14 days. Remember, this usually retails for $79 to $299 per month, so you're already getting a steal. But there's more. You're also getting access to these incredible bonuses today. Table price photo banner. Fire icon. Bonus 1, implementation training. $197. Bonus 2, plus 10 ready-made campaign templates. $997. Bonus 3, fill in the blanks toolbox. $297. Bonus 4, traffic secrets training. $397. Bonus 5, email hacking masterclass. $497. Bonus 6, access to private UpViral community. Priceless. Bonus 7, plus 30 UpViral in-depth case studies. $497. Let's add everything up in this incredible deal. With UpViral and all the incredible bonuses, that's a total value of $2,882. Imagine what it would feel like to go into a store, pick up $2,882 worth of stuff. Get to the checkout and you're told all you'd have to pay is $1. You'd think there would be some kind of mistake. But there is no mistake. You can have all this for just $1. Undecided. Let's take a worst and best case scenario. Worst case, you decide to do the $1 trial. For whatever reason, you're not satisfied and you can cancel in 14 days. That means you lost $1. Remember, we will contact you one day before the trial ends, so there is no chance of being forgotten. Let's paint another hypothetical scenario. Let's say you sell a $100 product. You start using UpViral and generate 100 email subscribers, which is a lot less than most of our customers get. Out of those 100 email subscribers, you make one $100 sale, which is a 100x return on investment. But, let's take a best case scenario. What if you achieved what Joe DeSiena did and generated more than $500,000 in sales? Or what if you achieved what Gabe Schillinger did? He generated over $200,000 in sales. I'm not promising results like this. But, hopefully you can see the power of UpViral. And you can get access to UpViral today for just $1. Yes. I'm ready to try UpViral for just $1. 14-day trial V2. You can cancel anytime during the 14 days without any hassle or funny business. Just log into your account settings and click Cancel My Subscription. Or, you can contact our support team through our help desk and they'll help you out. It's that simple. I've got you covered with our money-back guarantee. I want to remove any risk for you to take action today. That's why you're also going to get our 30-day money-back guarantee. 30-day guarantee. Here's how it works. Try out UpViral and all the incredible bonuses. Use everything as if it's your own, and if you're not completely thrilled with the results, simply send us one email and you'll receive a full refund. No questions asked.